good morning, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, that is SR Academy of Chemistry. Today we can discuss a very important reaction of amine, where we can discuss the method of preparation of amine. Right. So today we can discuss the method of preparation of amine. By which process? By reduction of amide. यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे? amide को reduction करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Now let's see how the reaction can carried out. Suppose we just take one amide. हमने क्या ले लिया? We just take one amide having formula RC double bond ONH2. Right. So this is the formula of amide. Now we want to convert this amide into amine group. Means here we can convert them into RCH2 NH2. Right. Now to doing that, which kind of reagent we can use? That is very necessary. So for that we can use two type of reagent. First one is called as LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride, in presence of H plus N. So here also lithium aluminum act as a reducing agent, right? Now in this case, you just see this carbonyl group is totally converted into CH2 group. Okay. Now if you see the reaction, the number of carbon atom in amide is same as in amine. Okay. Sorry, it is amine. Okay, so if you see in amine as well as amide, the number of carbon atom is same. If R is considers one carbon, so this one two carbon, here also two carbon, right? So in this reduction, the number of carbon atom is always same, right? So let's see the mechanism of reaction, how actually the reaction is carried out, that we can see. If you see the mechanism of reaction, उसको mechanism अगर हम लोग देखते हैं, तो where we can easily understand how the reaction carried out. Suppose we just take R C double bond ONH2. This is our amide. Now in first case, it can reacted with LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride. This lithium aluminum hydride can release H minus ion because it is a source of hydride ion, right? Now this H minus ion can attack on this carbon. This bond will be automatically shifted over here. So what we get in first step, RCO minus, here H can attach. Now here we can get NH2, right? Now in second case, when we use the list lithium aluminum hydride, right, then followed by protonation. हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको protonation करेंगे. Now what we do, this negative charge can shifted over this hydrogen, means this O minus can take H plus, and after taking that we can get RC, here O minus, here H, here NH2, right? Now this O minus is now converted into O माइनस किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? If you see this, just see this O minus is converted into now OH group. किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? OH group, right? Then again another molecule of H plus ion. Now we know that in case of oxygen there is a two lone pair. In oxygen, how many lone pair are present? Two lone pair. One of the lone pair of oxygen, it can take H plus ion. क्या ले लेगा? It can take H plus ion. What we get? We can get RCO H positive, here NH2, here H. This kind of situation can take place. Then followed by, if you see in this case, here, and if you react with another molecule of LiAlH4, right, it can release hydride ion. Now this hydride ion can attack on this carbon. कहाँ पे attack करेगा? This carbon, and this bond will be removed, right? Because oxygen having positive charge, you require electron. So what we get in this reaction, R, C, right, H. This hydrogen can attach on this carbon, so here we also take another hydrogen, and this is the NH2, right? So I think this compound form is called as amine. इस compound को क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? Amines बोल सकते हैं. So this is the complete mechanism, right? So if you write the one of the example of this reaction, so if you write the one of the example of this reaction, so we just take one example. Suppose if R is replaced by methyl group, CH3, C double bond O NH2 group, right? Now, when it reacted with how many hydrogen we can use? 4 molecule of nascent hydrogen. Here we can use the LiAlH4, right? What we get? We can convert them into CH3, C double bond O NH2. इसमें convert हुआ CH3. I'm sorry, it's not. It's converted into CH to this group. We see the correct one. Now this CO group is converted into CH2. So if final product is CH3, CH2, NH2 is a final product, right? This is called as ethanamine. The product form is ethanamine. So we can prepare the varieties of example by using this reaction. अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे second example लेते हैं, if you use the एसिटोफिनॉन, अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे एसिटोफिनॉन यूज करते हैं तो क्या लिख सकते हैं? C डबल बॉन्ड ONH2. दिस इज द एसिटोफिनॉन, राइट? अगर मैं इसको रिएक्ट करता हूँ 4 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ नेसेंट हाइड्रोजन के साथ in presence of same LiAlH4 followed by protonation, what we expected here in this case we can get. ना करना क्या अपने को यहाँ पे CH2 को किस में कन्वर्ट कर, यानी C डबल बॉन्ड को किस में कन्वर्ट करना? NH2 में. तो अपने को क्या मिल गया? दिस कंपाउंड वी कैन गेट, राइट? सो दिस इज द ओवरऑल रिएक्शन बाय विच वी कैन प्रिपेयर द अमाइड, राइट? तो कोई भी अमाइड लेंगे तो हमको क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे? अमाइड. बट द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस रिएक्शन इज वन थिंग यू ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, that in this reaction we always remember that the number of carbon atom is same, right, in reactant and product. And overall in this reaction we can add the hydrogen, and that's what is the example of addition reaction. I hope you can understand up to that point, right? So this is the very simple method by which we can prepare the amine, right? So I hope you can understand. Please take a screenshot of it, or you just stop, pause the video and note down it, okay? So next reaction we can discuss about, that is preparation of amine. We can discuss about the Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. इस रिएक्शन में क्या होता है? गैब्रियल थैलामाइड सिंथेसिस. इन दिस रिएक्शन वी कैन प्रिपेयर, हम लोग इस रिएक्शन में क्या प्रिपेयर करते हैं? प्राइमरी अमाइन, ठीक है, प्रिपेयर करते हैं प्राइमरी अमाइन. नाउ फॉर दिस रिएक्शन द स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल इज थैलाइमाइड. स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल क्या होता है? वी कैन यूज द थैलाइमाइड. इफ यू सी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ थैलाइमाइड, it consists of one benzene ring in this way, and it consists of C double bond here, C double bond here, NH. Now it is called as thalaimide. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? थैलाइमाइड, राइट? तो this reaction can take place in 3 steps. In case of thalaimide, first this thalaimide is converted into base. Suppose we just use KOH, potassium hydroxide, here K plus and OH minus. This OH minus can take H plus ion, and this bond will be shifted over the nitrogen. What we get in this case? So in this case we can get here C double bond O, here C double bond O, here O, O, here O minus. अब यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? K plus. Now we just remove one important byproduct, that is nothing but here we can remove the water molecule as a byproduct. Always remember. Now what happened next in this case? This is called as potassium salt of thalamide, because हमने यहाँ पे क्या यूज किया K plus, तो it is called as potassium salt of thalamide, right? Now this potassium salt of thalamide, it again reacted with the, we can say that it reacted with the alkyl halide, right? अगर हम लोग अल्काइल हैलाइड का स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे तो क्या आता है RX, राइट? सो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, अब यहाँ पे X is a halogen, R having the positive charge and X is the negative charge, because R is a less electrophile, less nucleophile, less reactive, or we can say that compared to X. R की reactivity कम है, that's why it can acquire positive charge. So the lone pair of oxygen can attack on R and this X group can be removed from here. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से क्या मिलेगा? Now remember it is a K. तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा अपने को? Ring as it is present रहेगा. Here C double bond O, C double bond O. यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा अपने को? N, N, right? We can get N. Here we can get R. यहाँ से byproduct क्या जाएगा in this reaction? I can write the byproduct here. Here byproduct क्या आ जाएगा? K plus and X. तो यहाँ पे आएगा minus KX is a byproduct of this reaction, right? So we can obtain N-alkyl thalamide. क्या मिलेगा अपने को? We can get N-alkyl thalamide, right? So ओवरऑल रिएक्शन क्या मिला? N-alkyl thalamide. Now but we want to primary amine. हमको क्या चाहिए? यहाँ पे प्राइमरी अमाइन चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? For the preparation of primary amine, then हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Anyhow we want to break this bond, so we can undergo hydrolysis. हमको यहाँ पे क्या करना है? हाइड्रोलिसिस. ना कौन सा हाइड्रोलिसिस करेंगे? We just undergo alkaline hydrolysis. So we just reacted this reactant with the aqueous NaOH. इसके साथ रिएक्ट करेंगे aqueous NaOH. Now aqueous means it consists of water. So in this case, which bond we can break here? Here we can break this bond. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? ये बॉन्ड को ऐसे ब्रेक कर देंगे. ब्रेक करने के बाद क्या होगा? OH ग्रुप कैन बी गोस टुवर्ड द कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड एंड H टुवर्ड द नाइट्रोजन, बिकॉज कार्बन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव. इफ यू ब्रेक दिस बॉन्ड, हियर OH ग्रुप कैन बी comes goes टुवर्ड द CO ग्रुप, ठीक है, कार्बन के पास, और यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा? H, राइट? इफ इट इज नॉट विजिबल, आई एम राइटिंग इन डिफरेंट वे. सो हियर इन दिस केस यहाँ पे क्या था? कार्बोनिल ग्रुप था. It consists of carbonyl group C double bond. Now after the reaction, it can be converted into here OH group can be attached. So overall after reaction, what we can get in this reaction? So if you see the ring as it is present, here it consists of C double bond O, C double bond O. Here it can be OH. This group is called as OH, and here we can get RNH2. Now R NH2 group कहाँ से समझ में आया? This R and this 2 NH2 group, but the reaction will be carried out in acidic medium, that is in presence of NaOH. So it can be converted into one salt. Now here Na plus OH minus. So this OH minus can take out the H plus ion from here. यहाँ से H plus चले जाएगा, तो both the reaction we can undergo same thing. So finally we can get, now this is converted into salt of carboxylic acid. Here C double bond O, here C double bond O, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? O Na, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? O Na. But the most important thing, we can get the very important product that is called as primary amine, right? And this reaction is called as Gabriel thalamide synthesis. Now if you see, the complete reaction can involve 3 steps. कितने steps involve हो रहा है? 3 steps. Reaction can completed in 3 steps. ठीक है, पहला स्टेप क्या है तुम्हारा यहाँ पे, राइट, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पोटेशियम सॉल्ट ऑफ थैलाइमाइड, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ potassium salt of thalamide. Second step is, right, nucleophilic attack of thalamide on alkyl halide, या फिर हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं सिंपली फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एन अल्काइल thalamide. And third, alkaline hydrolysis of an alkyl thalamide, right? So by using that we can prepare varieties of compound. Now अगर मुझे यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल दे दिया, if we take R is equal to, यहाँ पे अगर मैंने अल्काइल हैलाइड के R के जगह कोई एग्जांपल लिया, suppose in this case if we take CH3Cl अगर लेंगे तो what we can get, this R is replaced by CH3 group. Here this कंपाउंड मस्ट भी क्या रहना चाहिए यहाँ पे, देन CH3NH2 ग्रुप यहाँ पे रहना चाहिए, राइट। तो यहाँ पे बाय प्रोडक्ट क्या निकल जाएगा, KX की जगह क्या आ जाएगा तुम्हारा, KCl आ जाएगा, राइट। तो दैट्स द ब्यूटी, बाय यूजिंग दिस वी कैन प्रिपेयर वैरायटी ऑफ दिस रिएक्शन, राइट। नाउ व्हाट आर द लिमिटेशंस ऑफ दिस रिएक्शन? You see the limitation of Gabriel thalamide synthesis, there is one important limitation, aryl halide does not undergo this reaction. Aryl halide reaction नहीं करता because we already discuss about that. In case of aryl halide, अगर हम लोग aryl halide की discuss करते हैं तो हमको पता है कि in case of aryl halide, suppose this X, and due to this lone pair and this double bond, it can acquire partial double bond character, पहला thing. Second, it can having sp2 carbon. So during this reaction, this nucleophile unable to break this CX bond, and that's why it does not undergo aryl halide. So हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या बोल सकते हैं, हम लोग इस रिएक्शन में एरोमेटिक प्राइमरी अमाइन हम लोग नहीं बना सकते हैं, we only prepare aliphatic primary amine. So that is the beauty of this reaction, and this reaction is called as Gabriel thalamide synthesis. It's a very important name reaction that can be asked in your competitive exam as well as your board exam for 3 marks, right? So I hope you can understand this. If yes, please take a screenshot of it, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, that is SR Academy of Chemistry, right? Dear student, I am trying some different way to teach you. If you like this, please comment me on my comment box. Thank you and have a nice day. Next class we can see the another reaction. Thank you so much.